Politician and school principal charged with buggery. House fire bombed in Clarendon, senior citizen dead. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Errol Bashko, the principal of Taki High School in St. Mary and the People's National Party politician, has been charged with buggery by the police. The charges emerged from allegations made by a young man of sexual misconduct alleged by the educator when he sought assistance in a legal matter. The incident reportedly occurred at Bashko's home in Gale in the parish early this month. Bashko was charged on Sunday after he turned himself over to the police for questioning, accompanied by his attorneys. He is expected to appear in the St. Mary Parish Court this week. On Friday, Bashko resigned as the PNP's provisional candidate for St. Mary Western. In a letter to the PMP President Mark Golding, the educator denied the allegations, describing them as scrupulous and malicious. An elderly man is dead and his cousin is without a place to sleep after their 4-bedroom house was set on fire about 2 a.m. Sunday morning. The deceased has been identified as Roy Thompson, a 65-year-old carpenter of Holt Road in Tollgate, Clarendon. Police reported that the deceased, who occupied a 4-bedroom concrete house with his cousin, was at home when the cousin heard a crashing sound inside the section he occupied, which turned out to be a bottle bomb that had been thrown and which immediately resulted in that section being engulfed in fire. Thompson was alerted, but the section he was in also became consumed with flames as both quickly exited the building. He then went to a neighboring premises where he informed his son to remove a motor car which was parked in front of the yard. The now deceased then went back inside the house to retrieve some items, but the house collapsed on him. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, the dwelling was seen engulfed in flames. A team of Jamaica Fire Brigade, Clarendon Division, later put out the blaze. Thompson's partially burned body was identified by his son.